My name is Brittany Edwards. Today is 8/13/2021, and I am doing the pH lab. Let me light my candle. Okay. I have my 2 pipettes in alcohol. I have my hydrochloric acid. I have my sodium. And then I have my already labeled broths. 3 of them are S-Epi. And 3 are, brain fart. 3 are S-Cervese. They're labeled 5, 7, and 9 each. I'm only going to show 4 so that way this video is not too long. Since there is multiple steps. So I'm going to complete the S-Epi. That way I'm not having to interrupt when I'm in the middle of it. And then I'll do one of the S-Cervese. So that way it's showing on camera. I have my Cervese culture, which I like to shake because the sediment's on the bottom. And I have my S-Epi culture. Okay. I have my computer over here, which shows the steps. So if I keep looking to the side of me, that is what I am doing. So everything is labeled. I sterilized the counters. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So pH 5. So I'm doing the S-Cervese, pH 5. Yeah. So I'm running it through the fire. Okay. And it's telling me to get the HCl, hydrochloric acid. It says to sterilize it. I'm going to sterilize it a little bit because I think the one on the picture is a little bit different than this one. So I'm just going to carefully run it through. It says to do 1 drop. So I'm going to turn it over. 1 drop. So I'm going to leave that to the side because it's already sterilized. I don't want to put the top on before I close this back up. Sterilize it. And I'm going to put it right here because I'm going to need it in just a bit. So then I'm getting the S-Epi 5. And I'm going to do the same thing. Run it through the flame. This is already sterilized, so I'm just going to do 1 drop. Run it through the flame. I'm not going to cap that because I don't know if I need it. So I'm going to put this top on though. Oh, my mask is coming off. Okay. So now it's saying grab pH 9. So I'm going to grab the S-Epi 9. Which one is the NaOH? One second. Oh, this one. Okay. So I am getting the pH 9, and I'm pretty much going to be doing the same thing, but I am going to be adding, instead of the hydrochloric acid, I'm going to be adding the sodium hydroxide. Okay. So I'm going to take this top off. Run it through the flame. carefully. Just a little bit. Okay. So it says to do 1 drop. 1 drop. And run this through the flame and top it. So now it says for me to get the pH 7. And so pH 7, I don't have to do anything extra, it says. It says that it's already adjusted to pH 7 and no additional acids or base are needed. So I'm not going to cap these because I'm going to need them for my other ones. But yeah, so that's that. And then it says to throw away these when I'm done. And now I'm going to add the culture. So to each culture, I'm going to add 2 drops. So I'm going to start with my S. epis since I'm going to be finishing the Cerevisiae off camera. This right here, so I know I did that one. So my S. epis. Run it through the flame. On the top. Okay. So I'm going to start with 7. Really doesn't matter what order I'm going in as long as each of them get 2 drops. Okay. Getting one of my pipettes. It's nice and sanitized, and I am getting all the alcohol out. So without touching the rim, I'm going in. 1, 2. That one was like a weird drop, so I'm just adding a little extra. Putting that back in the alcohol on the side so I can remember. Capping it. Setting it to the side. Grabbing the other. Shaking the pipette again. Going in without touching the rim. 1, 2. Capping it. Setting it to the side. Getting my final one. Getting my pipette. Without touching the rim. Oop, 1, 2. Kind of dripped. Okay. I'm done with this now, so I am putting it through the flame and capping it. So now I need Cerevisiae. The one I already did. Okay, I'm getting the other pipette. The one that I didn't use for S. epi. And I am going in without touching the rim. 1, 2. That one was weird. Okay, putting that in, letting it sit. I'm gonna let this sit, the culture, because I'm going to go in and finish my other 2. And I am just going to cap this. So that concludes my video. I'm going to let these sit after I finish for 24 hours. And then I will do my part 2. So thank you.